हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। सो यहाँ पे मैं ओ सी डब्ल्यू पी थीम के थ्रू एक चैरिटी की थीम अपलोड करने वाला हूँ। तो हम देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं। तो ये जीरो से कर रहा हूँ मैं, आप देखते जाइए जब तक अपलोड हो रही है, थोड़ी सा टाइम लगेगा। तो यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने इंस्टॉल कर दी। कोई मैं खास प्लगइन वगैरह भी अपलोड नहीं करूँगा, ठीक है। तो देखता हूँ मैं कैसे कर पाता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत दिनों पहले मैंने एक साइट बनाई थी, जैसे ये आप देख रहे हैं ना, समाज विकास संस्था। ये लगभग 4-5 साल पहले बनाई थी, लेकिन अभी तक अच्छे से चल रही है। तो इसमें सारी चीज़ें फ्री वाली यूज़ की थी मैंने, ठीक है। तो मैं इसमें भी कोशिश करता हूँ फ्री। तो ये एक्टिवेट किया ओ सी डब्ल्यू पी जो कि फ्री है, ठीक है। नाउ आई कैन एक्टिवेट दिस वन। क्लिक ऑन द एक्टिवेशन। So yeah, now it's activated. But after activated it will ask one thing, Ocean Astra। तो एक plugin होता है। तो मैं इसे install करता हूँ और आपको बताता हूँ why this plugin is important actually। So what happen कि whenever we upload anything, suppose example, जब तक when suppose this is an example, so whenever I will create any theme, I don't require this logo, menu bar, footer or anything. I don't require even a single word in my web page, so that I can design from the zero. So that is only possible because of the OCNWP Extra. Okay, so extra OCNWP Extra is a one plugin. Okay, so this is free only, don't worry about that. You can go there, you can install that. Okay, so it will take some time to install. Okay, second one, you have to do one thing here. You have to increase upload one more plugin here, that is increase maximum upload size. Okay, so we can do it also. Earlier I have did this thing from the cPanel, but right now I try from this like the dashboard only. So again, this one is successfully installed plugins. Okay, return to the dashboards. Now what I require two more plugins, three more plugins. Okay, so how many plugins I have uploaded? This is one, OSIN Extra. Okay, let me do one thing. This is one OSIN Extra. Okay, now again go to the plugins, and I can give you the link. Again, add new. So the internet is little bit slow, so let me close this thing. Okay, so maybe it will work fast. Let's try. Okay, so this one also, it depend on your server and depend on your speed, how which server you have taken, what is the limit of that server. So it depend on everything, like, okay, but you have to do these things, like you have to upload this one. So OCNWP Inverto, Elementor, and these three plugins you have to require this. And one more plugin required, that is called like suppose if you want to inquiry something, like you want to make the contact form, etc. So that is contact form 7, but I don't want to add that form right now. Let's start with the very small things here. So OSIN Extra is uploaded. Now Inverto, so go there. So Inverto is there, yeah. So let me do one thing, upload this one. Let me modify the style here. Good, great. Okay, now no plugin. Okay, sorry, you have to go to the new one. Okay, add new. So upload the plugins. Suppose I want to go to the plugin here, or so I don't need this one, so go to the Inverto one. Okay, so Elementor done. Okay, OceanWP done. Okay, don't need plugin. Coming soon, this I don't require right now, but it should be here, no, not an issue. Now add new. So what I require one in Inverto. I told you that. No, wait a minute. Okay, I don't know. Inverto, so why it's not there? Wait a minute, let's check. Yeah, inverter element, I require this one, so let me install that. So it will take some time. Okay, activate. Now Elementor is already updated. Okay, inverter is already updated. What I require, okay, CWP Elementors. Okay, no need to do anything right now. Okay, now suppose go to the pages, all pages here, so you can find different type of pages here. So suppose I can create new one. Okay, not an issue, I can create new one. So how to create the new pages? For creating the new pages, you should do one thing, add new. Okay, so suppose add new, and you can give the any name here. It will ask for this, CWP activation. You can skip the activation, you don't require. Okay, let me close this one as well. Okay, now let me home one. Okay, and don't need to do anything, and suppose go here and go to the full width here, full width. Okay, or you can select the 100% as well. Now this is default slider, no need to, this is to be padding disables. Now here you can go to disables, and you can enables, and you can transparent this. Okay, so you can repeat the video if you forget. Go to the title, disables, breadcrumbs disables, footer disables. Okay, so I have disables almost everything here. Okay, so go to the template and here and inverter full element. Okay, this one I require. Now publish. Now publish. So let's start. I told you in the starting that Osine WP, Osine Astra plugins. This is Osine Astra plugins. We can do this all the thing because of the Osine Astra only. Let's check how our page is looking. This page on home one. So okay, so okay, good. So it's almost done. Okay, and this one, it takes some time to publish because of the noise. Internet is slow. Again, let's click on the publish. Yeah, now it's published. Okay, let's see how our page is looking. This one. So I don't have anything in this. Okay, so what happened, I have just menu bar only. So if I want to delete this, I can delete also, not an issue for that. Now after that you don't find anything. Now I need the design here. Okay, free design. So for that you have to click on the edit with Elementor. After click on the element edit with Elementor, you will reach here. Okay, here you will find 1 and 2 plugin. Okay, you have to click on inverter element, then click on the free kit, then you have to scroll down and select the your requirement. But what I require the charity one. You can also go here and you can directly search the things as well. This education and non-profit. Okay, so scroll the things and whether you will find it. This is child care, and let's select in the second one. Okay, so let's select this one only, this. Okay, so suppose if you need preview, you can directly go to the preview here. Okay, this is a preview. So if you want to go, you can see the preview how it is looking. Okay, so if you want to install, you can directly install it. So I don't require, I want to install it directly. So it is an preview only. Okay, so click on here again. I have come to the same page. Okay, now install. So if your memory limit is increased, then it will be installed successfully. As it's saying it's installed successful. Okay, now you will find different type of beautiful page. Good, but sometime you require this thing. Sometimes it will ask to install this some plugin which is supported for this kit. So you can click on here install, and again it will tell you to that install the plugins Elementor Pro, but I don't have that Elementor Pro, so close one. So if you have Elementor Pro, you can install as well. So I can try this later, okay, but you have to, you will get some problem in this one page, second one page, this one, but not each and every one. Like this page you can install very easily, this page you can install very easily, okay. So let me install the first one only, insert the page, and after that, after installing, I will install Pro version also. So if you have Elementor Pro, then it's good, because Elementor Pro, the form and each and any query forms and that all the thing will be work properly. So it will show you the percentage uploading, it depend on that. Oh good, great. So themes is uploaded now, this, okay, this themes is uploaded full on this, okay. Now you can do one thing, you can update this one, this, click on this and you can update this. So themes is updated now here. Then what about the other things like this and other section, if it is showing some like basic gaps are there, so what about that? So that is the themes style, so you can't do anything about that, okay. But even that you can go there, you can edit the section, you can create on the full width, you can create no gap, so you can do this thing only, this is which is good one, okay. So I have did that. So if you don't have this idea, not an issue. Now let's check how our site is looking right now. Go to the dashboard. So this is our old pages. Now how it is looking, let's see our pages one, all pages, and we have designed the home page one, okay, this one. So let's see this one, yes, it's looking good, understand. So this is an issue. So here I am doing one international work, so I want to share this thing also, yeah. So this page is working. Now I can upload the another page as well, okay. So let's do how it will be uploaded. Now what about this one? Suppose this is saying this, what about this one? For that you have to go to the edit pages. Let me finish this each and everything. So let me do that. So for that you have to go here, full width, okay, full width, okay. Now this is default, okay. Padding disables, header bar disable, or this transparent is okay, and title, okay, disable, breadcrumb is also disabled, flood is also disabled. So go to the main page only, full width, okay. Let me update and let me check, okay. Let me check this. So remaining things you have to do from your side, like why it is showing the gap and everything, you have to do this from the two part. Why, either you have to go to the Elementor and you have to finish this. So let me try from the Elementor, okay. Like the edit the section and full width, let me do one thing, edit the section, edit this section, top, okay. So I think this is a setting of theme. So even that you can do from your side. Okay, you can change a lot of things using the theme. If you require some more footer kind of things, you can again go to here. You can go to the install kit here, free kit, or you can find some things here. Either you can install already one theme, so you can go there, you can search, maybe you can find some footer also here. Contact, sidebar, sign in, pop up, and then sidebar, contact us. Okay, let's upload to the contact us pages. Okay, this one. Okay, and yes, footer is not there, so footer you can create very easily. Let's start with new pages again. I can do everything again, okay, from the new pages. So add new one. Now name ABOUT, about us. Okay, now what happened? Now again about us, go to here. You have two options here. Okay, let me try one thing more here. Go to the edit section of these pages, home pages. Okay, so this is one. Okay, now let's do one thing. Elementor's canvas. Okay, so I have to use, like here I have used the Elementor full width. Let me start with the canvas. Okay, so go to the edit again and do one thing. Let me search Elementor canvas. Okay, and update. Let's check whether it will work. So here I am working live actually with one of my international client. So suppose why it is working a little bit slow, because they have uploaded some more pages on this websites here. So whether if they give me the order, I can delete all pages and then I can create new one. So it depend on them only. Okay, so they have told me to delete last pages and upload new one. Okay, so I can do that thing again. So for that I have to go to there, but let me, yes, it's not working. It's working like this one. Even it is looking fine. Okay, so let's start with that thing only. So go to the pages, like all pages here. Okay, breadcrumb, disable, footer, disables. So this is I have tried this default page. Let me try with landing page. What happened? Okay, I am working with this one only. So let me canvas. Okay, so I can do this other thing from the zero. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is called landing page, and this is called default templates. Let's upload to default templates. I try to make this chapter it should be look good, that's why. Now if I want to remove this, I can remove as well as. So let's start from 0 only. Let's delete this one, leave it. Okay, then go to the pages one, leave it, pages one. Okay, the all pages, go there and suppose move to trace, apply. Okay, now no pages are there. And even you have to go to the menu bar, appearance, and here you can find menu bar. So till that pages are deleting, let's go to the menu bar as well. this. So you have find this menu bar, but really you don't require this main menu. So I will click new one. Okay, I don't require this one. So if you want to delete, you can delete right now. So you can delete from here only, remove like, so that they cannot confuse. So actually it is called reset also. So if you want to reset, you can reset directly. If you want to reset it, you can reset it directly, because it's another person's website. So I try to work. Remove this button. Why it's not removable? Great, good. Suppose this one I want to remove. This one remove, so that now not required. Okay, then this one also. Okay, let them reload this one. Okay, now no pages are there. Even you can find, oh I don't save this. Okay, so don't worry about this one. Now no pages are, so that is called bulk selection. So you can go there, you can delete as this pages, because these pages are not there. So this should be a delete. Okay, and this one remove selection. Okay, even this contact page I don't require. So as it means there is nothing there right now. Okay, automatically add, and this is main menu. So I want to use the manual menu. I can create main menu again, don't worry. Okay, but there is nothing right now. Okay, so let's go to the pages. Like this, all are the pages. Let me create the first page. Okay, so how to create the first page? Because creating the first page requires some plugin. So go there, like Elementors also require. Go to the plugins. What happened? Okay, let's go to the plugins first, and let's understand how many plugins are there. So coming soon plugins I don't require. Okay, so delete it. Okay, I don't require this. Okay, landing page or coming soon should be delete. Now Osin Astra Inverto plugin, I require Inverto, new one also, add new. Let's go to the Inverto, upload one. Let's whether I have these plugins. Let me search the plugins whether I have them. Elementor. Okay, I need Elementor first. Okay, let me search that plugin. Elementor Pro Go. Elementor Pro is there. Yeah, Elementor Pro is there. Okay, let me install. So if they have increased the capacity from the backend, only then it will be upload. Okay, it depend on the memory size. So memory size should be like 256. Only then this plugin will be uploaded. Otherwise you have to upload this plugin from the cPanel. So let's try. So working with the Illustrator, working with the illustration of WordPress, it really take long time really. Okay, so it's successfully. Now I want to activate this. It will be activate. Yeah, it's activate now. Okay, so great. So I have this Elementor Pro, Elementor, Inverto element, Osin. Okay, nothing. Now let's start with the creating a pages now. Okay, for that creating a pages, you have to go to the pages here, all pages. So let me add a new page here. Let me go to the new page here. Okay, so suppose new pages is home. Okay, now home is this Elementor full width you have to take. Then here you need a full width, 100% full width. Okay, you have to disable this, you have to default, and this should be disable, enable, and this should be transparent. I will tell you why. Menu bar don't require, logo don't require, title disables, breadcrumb I don't require, footer disable both. Okay, now this, so this is the basic setting. Now publish, now publish. Okay, now after that what happened, if you see your pages you can't find anything right now. Okay, let publish it, I will show you. So if you see, right, there is nothing on this pages, this. So first of all you have to remove this line as well, and this logo and this. Okay, so how to do that, all the thing, let me go to the customize. This is customize. Okay, after customize, go to the header section. Header, then go to the journal, and this header border bottom. Okay, remove this, I don't require. Okay, then publish. Now everything is fine. Go back, go to the logo, and this remove if anything logos are there. Now publish. Now see our websites how it's looking. Okay, so let's see, refresh this. Yes, this, and this is the home page. Okay, so home page, we don't have not created anything right now, we have to create a home page. Okay, now for creating the home page you have to go to this section, edit with Elementor. Now this edit with Elementor. Now after this you have to go to the Inverto element. Okay, and Elementor you have already updated this one, this themes. Okay, now if you want to change you can go to the FreeKit as well again, and you can search this. So let me give you some good example of here. This, some beautiful websites are there. Let me go very fast. This, I have used many things, and if you need, so just comments me, I will upload that particular page as well. Okay, if that theme is not you are not able to upload anything, you can share me, you can comments me, I will upload that theme. So I love this, all the themes. I have more than 100 themes of this professional, means paid versions themes also, but I mostly prefer, if you are a fresher you can do this, all the thing. We are using this theme only. Okay, but let me show some good thing here. This thing also is good for this. Yeah, I love this thing, charity. So we can install this one. Okay, this is very professional, good one, updated, and I have proof that this Samaj Vikas Sansthan, I have shown you this. I have uploaded before 5 to 6 years, and it is working good. Okay, this is same thing, this is same theme. Okay, so let's tell you this thing. Where is that Elementor? So this is the same thing. You can go, you can install this thing. It's working very nice actually. Okay, so it's uploaded. After that you can directly go to the view kits, and you can find this great pages. Oh good. So you have 3 pages, home, 1 2 3. Okay, so let me upload the one, and let me see the more pages here. So you have 6 beautiful pages here, but let me upload all 5 pages as a home page. Okay, so it's require one more plugin here, it's saying. So install this one. So it's install, and if everything is good it will be installed. Okay, it's successfully installed, but try this. This template kit has been tested by the hello. Okay, so not require this one. Good. So now it's not showing anything here. You can go there first, insert the pages. So this is home page. So great, good, it's updated. Yeah, great, you people are very great. Okay, so now have you seen this? It's uploaded one. Okay, This is the same theme that I am using. Okay, this is first one. So footer you can create very easily using some other plugin, but this one, and our logo and menu bar will be come here. So maybe you can update this one. Okay, and let's try another one. Okay, so this is our refresh. Let's refresh this page. Oh, good, great. This, it's coming very good. Nice. Okay, great. So let me upload more pages here. Okay, and this is the logo section. You can upload your logo from the here only. So let me upload any charity logo here. Okay, so they can upload any logo. No, not an issue. It's not our work right now. Okay, so home page is done. So let me refresh this one. This home is scan. Okay, right now, and like, because automatically option is here, so whenever I will create page, it will be already, it will automatically add here. Okay, let's create another page, guys. Okay, let's go to the, this page is ready now. No need to do anything here. Okay, directly go here, go to the exit to dashboard, or either you can go from the another ID also. Now this home page is ready. Again go to the add new. So I will remove another plugin also, home page. So home 2. Okay, so let me go to the home 2, or let's go to the about us. Okay, again I will go you the full width. This should be enabled with the transparent. This is should be disabled. Okay, this can't do anything here, sidebars, but headers will be here. This will be disabled, and you can go there, enable, and use transparent. Here full width, Elementor's menu don't require title, disable, I don't require, and anything here. Okay, if you require, you can put this footer, well, footer. Okay, so I don't require right now. If I require, I can upload another beautiful footer using any plugin or anything. Okay, so this I have deleted everything here. Now about us there, this one, everything is ready. Now you can go there, publish, and now it's published. Okay, publish failed. Let me try what happened. This is about us. Whether this name page is already there, but let me again try again. Yes, it's published. Okay, that about us name is already there from their side. Now disable. Now you can go to the, you have already know that there is nothing available here, only that about us menu bar. Okay, now you have to upload the pages. Go to the edit with Elementor. After here you have to go to the here only, then you have uploaded this thing, then go to the about us section, home, or let's place partner. This one is about us. Okay, let's me tell them. They're from other country actually, I think South Africa. Okay, yes, so now it's updated. Yes, great. So now it's updated. This is about us page. Okay, I'm not doing anything, I just want to update. And let's me do one thing here. Let's refresh this page. So it should become like good. It's about us pages is now working here. Okay, now do one thing. Go here and go to the again dashboards, and let's update another page. Okay, so let me update the contact page. Okay, so go to the add new, or contact. Okay, contact only, and again width disable, yeah, no need, header disable, enable transparent, Title disables. Disable I don't require this one. Okay, this should be okay. Great. Okay, now I'll tell you, if you require the enable, that footer will be show here in. Okay, so in this page I will show you the footer, how footer is looking good. Okay, so everything is required here, full width. Now you can publish here. Only after publish it will be highlight. Okay, so again contact us. Okay, now it will be published because contact page is already there. Okay, now go to the Elementor. Now go to here. Now click on here, scroll the pages, and after that you can find this contact page. So a lot of contact page, but this is looking good. Okay, so let me do this thing only. Okay, so it will take some time. For that I want to delete some pages here. Okay, so that it will look good. So this page I designed very lot back, lot of like 4 to 5 years back, when I was in my college. I designed these themes. Right now I work with lot of, after that I work with many others. This is the video gallery. Yes, a lot of videos galleries are very flexible and responsive video gallery, very fast websites is there. So I think yes, contact page updated, good one, contact updated. Okay, now after that again go to the here only, go to the exits and donator of go to the add new, our partners. Okay, our partners, and again you have to do the same thing again here. So here I am doing very fast. Okay, enable it. Okay, so I'll show you how your menu bar is working. Disable, this is okay, this is okay. Now this will be like this one and this one and this one. So now it will be published. Okay, our partners. Okay, so let's, now I have changed the name, so let's publish. Let's Elementor. They are asking. Okay, so this one now go to here, now our partners. So projects, partners. Okay, inside this partners. Okay, so let's give smiley one. Okay, now it 75% will take some time. Okay, so now its partner page is updated, this one. Okay, and they can add it from their side, so don't worry about that. Okay, let me update this one. Now after update only you can exit from here. Okay, now you can go here, exit the page. Now partner and I think donators or kind of thing. Okay, so now this one is done, add new. So I think contact page is okay. Now donators. So let me name our donators. Okay, this one is looking donors. Our donors is okay. Let me try this one only. Okay, this disable, no, enable, transparent. Oh, you people are repeating. Disable, and enable it. You can make it. Okay, so downloaders, let me publish. Let me delete some tabs so that yes, our donors like this one. Okay, maybe it will come, it will work, because they have created all that kind of pages, that's why. Okay, so now it's working perfectly. Go to here. Now we have to upload our donors. I don't remember what the page name is are. So for that you can do one thing. You can open this one and write here some pages name. Okay, if you forget, go here and go to this themes, and now I'll tell you that. Okay, yeah, project and program. Okay, what I need one more page, that is project and program. What is that? Copy. Okay, I have to create this page. Partners, about a place, copy. Okay, this one, yes, our supporters. Okay, you can upload mission. Okay, then donate page. Okay, now this one good. Now voluntary. Okay, these pages I have to create. Okay, advertisement, achievement, sorry, contact us, or this is pop-up, that I will not work. Okay, so this is our donators. So let me perfect. Home for partners. Acha, donator means partners, same things. Okay, so praise, achievement. Okay, let's come with bottom to top. Okay, let's upload achievement first. Yeah, okay, achievement. So let's insert the achievement template here. I can rename the page. Okay, so guys, this video is so long actually, but you have to wait for that, because I am whatever I am creating this video is live only. I am working with one of the client. They are from the South Africa, I think. So I don't know what's the name. Good peoples. So I'm working with that. Yeah, so it's achievement page, and you can update that, don't worry. We can update our page from the main page. So this is achievement pages. You can click here, so it will be update. Okay, now how to change the page's name? Exit. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try from here only and update. If the achievement page is not there, it will be created. If you update this from the page section, it will update very fast. but here it is taking some time. But let's do one thing here. You have to remove this some other pages, maybe it will work fast now. This should be changed, actually it should be changed automatically, then it's perfect. You can go there like this one, achievement as well. If it is not working, you can update from here only. Yes, you can update from here. Yeah, it's updated. So let me try here whether it is achievement or not. Yeah, so why it's slow I will tell you. Okay, achievement just change now. Okay, and you can, this is called if you want to change this one, you can change from here only, that I will show you again. This is quick edit also you can find here, so you can copy paste this section again here. Okay, then press update, you can remove this, it's done. Okay, now you can remove it. So achievement and achievement both are there. The why, so this donor should be automatically become the achievement. Okay, it will take some time. So whether it is updating, you can go to the directly add new pages here, hold down the alter, go to the add new pages and update another one. Achieve is done. Now I can create the wall entry. Okay, this one. So it's slow little bit, but yeah. So let's do one thing, upload one and two more pages. Let's voluntary go there, go to the full width only here, no problem. Disable this all the things here, make it transparent here. I don't require this thing here, and enable this one. This is good for SEO purpose, so go there, Elementor, so voluntary, then publish, no, it's not all voluntary because their page, they have created a lot of pages. Okay, so that's why. Yeah, it's working now, go there. So again, till that it is working, you can do one thing, you can go to the direct new also, so you can work with many pages at a time. So donate, yeah, let me make one more donate pages as well at a time. Donate now. Okay, now go to here first, full width no require, transparent one, logo menu doesn't require, menu I require footer. Okay, so that's why. Okay, now donate now, and this one is good one. Now go to the publish one. Okay, till it is working. Now it can do one thing, you can go here and go to the add new again. So donate mission. Okay, let's go to the mission one. So let's create mission one pages also. Donate now. This page, a lot of pages are there, so that's why I have to change the name. Maybe this page is not donate now. Yeah, it is working here. Okay, so this is our voluntary. Go there, and we can do one thing here. Mm, I don't know whether some pages are available, that's why it's not highlighting. Okay, so what happened, I don't require this theme na? So if you don't require, you can directly click here. You don't require this, so maybe it will work more fast. Okay, now view this one. So this is our mission. So mission page is here. This one you can insert. Okay, till it is inserting, check why it is not going. Now let me refresh, reload this. Why, what happened to this, I don't know. Let delete it, we can create one by one. Delete it this so that at least our site can work. Okay, mission is done. Okay, so it's updated. All once everything updated, go to the update one. Okay, now again go here, go to the exit dashboards, and again which is one, this is our voluntary. Okay, voluntary done. The donate, let's work with the donate. Add new donate limiters. Default disables, so take it 100%. Transparent, just repeat that all the thing whatever I am doing, that's all. Okay, now footer enables. Okay, good, great. Now donate, now click on the publish. If that page is not available, it will be published. Okay, ads round. So which page I require right now? Donate. Okay, so donate page is here. Till that you can remove other portion, it will work fast. You can go there, you can select this achievement, voluntary, mission, donate, insert this one. Yes, good, great. So it's showing now, this page is updated. Okay, after that you have to update this section. So this one is done. Okay, done it. Now I require the mission one. Okay, so for that you have to go here, go to the dashboard. Now it's working fast. Okay, go to the new ad. Go here, mission, or disable it 100%. Transparent, breadcrumbs, disables, again disables, enables, or it disable it also, because I have shown these things for example purpose only, and here this doesn't require anything. Okay, header, disables, and transparent. Okay, and require this one. Go to the publish one. So mission, if the page is not there, then it will be published, otherwise you can give the another names. You can again click on the publish. Okay, so our mission, let's do one thing, publish. Maybe this page is not available. Okay, it's working. Okay, now go. So the same page is, if this page is available, only then you have to change the name. Okay, so this one, mission page, project, about our partner, donate, mission. Yeah. So, okay, great. So this mission page is updated. Great, you can update this one. Okay, so now I'm not going to do more pages here. Okay, so let's check how our website is looking right now, and we can go to the dashboard directly. Okay, and we should go to the appearance or setting, or you can go to the reading. After reading, you have to go to the selection one. You have to go here, you have to click on the home page. Okay, now this one blog I've not updated, but you can go here, save. Now before that, you have to go to the setting normal page, setting journal things also, so that you can go there. So here you can write here charity organizations. Okay, yes, so this is the name. Okay, let's test our site, how our site is looking. So let's go to the another window so that we can find here this. Great. Okay, so this page, we have to remove this page because of the plugin. Okay, appearance, and this is a plugin, install plugins. So remove this and deactivate. Okay, even you don't require this one, so you can delete even. Okay, great. So here you see Ocean Extra, Elementor Pro, this 1 2 3 plugins only, and my site is ready. So let's see now. Yes, great. Now this, now what happened, I want to make it white. So for that you have to go to the again and customize, and customize, you will find one header section here. Header section, inside you can find the logos. So go here, this is the top section. Okay, let's go to the general one. So enable top bar, I don't require this. Okay, don't require. Okay, this one, journal section, and have to go to the header logo. Maybe it's white from, yes, you can go and you can white from here only. You can menu bars, you can find here top level menu. I don't require second level menu. Okay, okay, then here you can find the link button, you can make it white. Okay, now it's working good. Now publish. Now do one thing, here you have to go to the menu bar, you have to go to the appearance or menu bar. Now here, so about us should be here, but our partner will become here, our achievement will become here, become voluntary will become here, donate now page should be delete one, we require the one only. Then our mission should be here, our voluntary. Okay, you can add here contact and donate now, our mission. So 1 2 3 4 5, our mission, our partners. Okay, you can do one thing also, you can make it like this also, which is looking good. And voluntary, you can make it single page also, which is looking good. So our mission, you should write the mission only, which is good. Our contact us is so back. donate. Donate now. Okay, it should be good. And let's save this thing. Okay, now let's refresh this one. It should be saved. Wait a minute. Okay, now refresh this one and you can find all the pages here. Great. Good. So let's give this to the concerned person in the front of you. Let's see whether they are online or offline. So the battery is low. Let me check. Okay, so till they are coming. So let's check other pages like about us, our partners. This is working nice. And in the footer you can find here this watermark. You want to remove it. Okay, so two type of footers. Somewhere we have given the footers as well, so I want to show you that. Okay, let's go to the here customize section as well. You can go to the here only footer section. This one. Okay, so right here okay, and police. So after that you will find that it will be changed. Okay, so this will be changed. This now our name is coming. Okay, so if you want to remove, you can remove it there only. So this achievement, let's go to the contact button. This is the contact address. This so you can go to the contact address as well. So thank you. This is the wonderful message for me. I feel hugging you. So okay, so this is the good achievement. This is live only, not so this is the beautiful websites here. If you want to any change, This should be this one. So now I want to close the websites here. Okay, now everything is changed. You have in the front of you have designed this all the websites. If you have any queries or if you require any particular website in particular subject, please let me know. Thank you so much. Take care.